Welcome everyone. Today, we're cutting through the clutter to discuss why one single trading setup is all you really need to succeed. It's time to stop overcomplicating your charts and start focusing on what actually brings in profit. We are going to look at the difference between the market noise and the actual truth of trading. The noise in this industry is deafening. Hundreds of different strategies, endless indicators, and the constant urge to jump to the next big thing. But here is the truth. You only need one reliable setup to be profitable. Mastery over a single edge will always beat having mediocre knowledge of 10 different tools. So, why do most traders fail? It usually comes down to strategy hopping, switching systems the moment you hit a few losses. This often leads to overanalysis, where too many conflicting signals cause total paralysis. Remember, trading isn't about finding a perfect 100% win rate system. It's about strictly following a proven process. Let's look at the math behind the process. Imagine a scenario of 10 trades with only a 50% win rate. If your 5 wins have a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, you gain 10 units. Your 5 losses only cost you 5 units. The result? You are up 5 units in profit, even though you were wrong half the time. Simple strategies really do work. It's a common misconception that complexity equals profit. In reality, discipline makes you money, not complicated charts. If you follow your rules, control your emotions, and remain consistent, the results will follow. Execution is the only real divide between a professional and an amateur. Here are your 4 steps to mastery. First, choose one setup that actually works. Second, practice that setup until you fully trust the data. Third, trust. You must stick to that system even during the inevitable losing streaks. Finally, master, own that one specific edge completely. In the end, simplicity wins every time. Trust the math and trust your setup. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more real trading insights. Stay tuned for Real Journey from 27th Monday, where I will be sharing my trades. Comment and wish me good luck for my journey. Disclaimer: this channel is just for education purpose only. No buying and selling recommended.